In winter, when it's unbearably cold outside, we tend to crave a warm bowl of soup. Asian noodles therefore sound especially appealing at this time of year, and they're actually pretty easy to make. Here's how you can make vegan beef noodles. Start with a little oil. Add minced garlic, perhaps chili pepper if you like, and ground ginger. Stir fry them. Then it's better to use vegan beef instead of real beef for the sake of kindness to animals and environmental concerns. While stir frying, you can add hot sauce or skip it and just pour soy sauce. When the stir fry is about done, pour water to make it a soup. When the soup is boiling, dump noodles into it and use chopsticks to stir the noodles. Then sprinkle shredded green onions and perhaps some leafy greens. In case you prefer seafood over your noodles, here's how to cook garlic prawns. First, stir-fry minced garlic. Then it's optional to add hot sauce, but it's necessary to use either chicken broth or vegetable broth. Of course, vegetable broth would be more environmentally friendly. Then you can thicken the broth with cornstarch to make it a sauce. When the sauce is sizzling, you can use it to stir-fry pre-cooked prawns. Noodles should be cooked separately before you put prawns on top of them. By the way, it's interesting that noodles symbolize longevity in Chinese culture because they're long. Chinese people usually eat noodles on their birthdays. And you can easily make Asian noodles for your birthday too. Now, this is a bowl of garlic prawns over noodles for you. Doesn't it look appetizing? Bon appetit!